We'll see if we can find some good trades or not. Today market is very volatile, so we'll wait for our perfect setup if we find any. And if we don't get any good potential setups, we'll just close the day. That's it. Firstly, we'll target at 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3s, and then if it's looking good, so we'll hold our position with trailing S2. So as usual, we'll clean our charts and try to analyze what's happening in the markets. So here we can see that price wasn't able to break this high. It touched this resistance, gave a fake breakout thrice, right? Once, twice, thrice. If we can see that the price is coming to this level, then we can expect a clean break, which is going to touch this level. And it's a move of around 500 pips. So it's very easily achievable as this resistance is touched 3-4 times. So here we can see that price is reversing after touching this order block. So we'll look for selling opportunities most probably on higher time frames. If we are seeing any short-term quick trades on lower time frames, we can consider that as well. So on 1 hour, we can see that price touched this zone, and after touching this, it gave a very good around 1000 pip move, more than 1000 pip move, which is really good. And it was a very clean setup, very clean setup. In just few hours, it gave a move of 1000 pips. So again, we'll keep our charts clean. So this was the level which made the price reverse. This was the fake breakout zone which invited sellers, and here we can see. So now on the price action, we can see that on 1 hour, it's making a green candle, trying to invite some buyers. Might take a pullback or continue the selling move. We don't know, right? So here on 15 minutes, price touched this zone. On 5 minutes, it's a different story. So this was a order block plus fair value gap. Price filled this gap, even though there were two more like this. But yeah, so this is a 5 minute order block. Here we can see that it's coming down, making more of a trend line structure, right? So we can still expect that price can give a bullish move at least 200-300 pips, are very easily achievable, right? We just have to wait for the right opportunity and then we'll make our positions. The thing is, taking a buy trade right now is not a good choice. Because if we take a buying position here, price is reversing from 15-minute order block. And most of the times they seems to work. And even if they don't work, they give a decent move of 100, 200 pips. So SL and risk management won't be that good. We just have to make sure that we are minimizing our risk, taking high risk reward, risking as little as possible, right? Let's see how GBP is performing. So on GBP, this was a very good trade we've taken. Just after break of this trend line, it gave a move of around 25 pips. So it's pretty decent. Most of the times when trend is moving like this, there are very high chances that this pullback will come, right? And after this has come and you are seeing strength in the selling, we can expect that it will continue the selling zone. So for GBP, could have got a good trade here after break of this trend line. So now there are two scenarios. Price can reverse from here and continue this trend, or it can break this level and give a target of at least this zone. So gold is moving pretty well. Like I said, 15-minute order blocks are pretty strong. और अगर यहाँ पे एंट्री होती तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली एसएल होता अराउंड इस लेवल का, which is more than 330 pips and no one trades like this. 300 पिप का एसएल, अगर तुम बहुत ही ज़्यादा 1000 2000 पिप्स का मूव एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो इवन आफ्टर having a good amount of experience, then you can consider that. But उसके पहले I don't think it's a right choice. अब यहाँ पे अगर प्राइस इस ऑर्डर ब्लॉक को रिस्पेक्ट करता है So we can still go for buying. Otherwise एक अच्छे पुल बैक के साथ में सेलिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज ही देखेंगे. क्योंकि ट्रेंड लाइन भी इतनी क्लीन नहीं है. इट्स ओनली बीन टच 2 times. Trading is all about being patient, guys. You have to be extremely patient. This could have been a good trade. It was making a head and shoulder pattern, and after this break, it gave a move of 50 pips. It's not that bad. This is good. So as expected, it's trying to reverse. We can set a target of at least this zone, I feel. अभी एंटर करते हैं. एसएल कितना होगा? एसएल would be big. But the thing is, it can work. The only major drawback is that if we enter now, it's going to be a late entry, right? We are not getting a good SL. So we can wait for a pullback and then make our positions. So gold is on our level now. We'll see how price reacts from this level. Okay, amazing. It has tapped our zone. We'll wait for a confirmation candle and make a entry. Otherwise, it's not worth taking a risk of 50, 60 pips. Looking at this candle, doesn't look like a good idea to take buy positions. Let's see how silver is performing. Silver is also extremely bearish. Again, once it breaks this level, you can see this target. Let's make a entry. Let's make an entry in gold. I mean, there is going to be a risky trade. Even SL is a bit big. It will manage our positions accordingly. I have entered around this level. Amazing momentum. I have trailed myself to this point. 43, 44. Pretty good momentum. So let's see how we can manage this position. This can be a target, even though I don't think that this trend line is going to work that well. But this is going to be our final target. Not looking good as of now. This is going to be our final target, and yeah, most of the positions will be cut here. Let's see, let's see. So the reasons are it's a 5 minute order block, right? You can see some 1 minute fair value gap and order block as well. The thing is, we saw good buying momentum here. This could be fake, but yeah, it's worth taking a shot. So we are officially out. So this was our SL. I'm not planning to enter one more time as of now. We'll just wait and watch.